Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here to address a crucial topic that deserves our attention: domestic violence. This video is the first part of a three-part series where we'll explore different aspects of this serious issue and seek solutions and awareness together. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and join us on this journey of learning and change. And don't forget to stay until the end. We'll have the trailer for the next chapter. The hidden side of homes, unveiling the secrets of domestic violence. Let's start by understanding what domestic violence is. This sad reality goes beyond physical aggression. It also involves psychological, sexual, economic, and verbal violence. It's crucial to recognize these different forms to effectively combat them. To tackle this, awareness is the key. Educational campaigns, lectures, and resource dissemination can help victims recognize signs and seek help. Together, we can create a culture that rejects any form of domestic violence. Domestic violence not only leaves physical scars, but also psychological ones. The impact on mental health is profound, resulting in traumas, anxiety disorders, and depression. Here, empathy plays a crucial role. Providing psychological support to victims is essential. Therapy groups, counseling, and mental health services are valuable resources. Let's work together to break the stigma and offer emotional support. Children and domestic violence. Domestic violence affects not only adults, but also children who witness or are victims of it. The long-term consequences are alarming and deserve our attention. Educating children about healthy relationships from an early age is vital. School and community programs can play a crucial role in prevention. By creating a safe environment, we can protect future generations. Culture plays a significant role in perpetuating domestic violence. It's essential to question and challenge the norms that tolerate it. Together, we can change the narrative. Supporting movements and initiatives that challenge harmful cultural norms is essential. Let's promote a culture of respect, equality, and empathy. Machismo and femicide. Machismo significantly contributes to domestic violence, culminating in some cases in shocking femicides. By combating machismo, we are addressing the root of the problem. Participating in campaigns, educating, and promoting gender equality are crucial steps to eradicate this extreme form of violence. I hope this first chapter has provided a deeper insight into domestic violence. In the upcoming videos, we'll continue our journey exploring the laws, rights, and responsibilities related to this issue. Don't miss the next episode. And remember, together, we can make a difference. Subscribe, share, and be part of this cause. See you soon. In the next episode, we'll dive into a world of shadows and obscured truths. Get ready to uncover the dark side of domestic violence as we delve into the laws, rights, and responsibilities that shape this complex scenario. Laws shaping the fate of victims, rights calling for justice, and responsibilities weighing on society's shoulders. We'll unravel the unexpected, explore the complexities of the legal system, and question the gaps that need to be filled. The hidden role of institutions, obscure revelations. Institutions that should protect, but do they all fulfill this role? Discover the hidden side of institutions as we reveal dark truths about their role in responding to domestic violence. Technology and its secrets, the virtual face of violence. Technology, ally, or foe. Explore how domestic violence manifests in the virtual world, uncovering the secrets behind the digital face of this growing issue. Are we prepared to face this new frontier? Mystery and call to action. Get ready for a plunge into the shadows of society. In the next episode, we'll unveil mysteries and challenges that many prefer to hide. Join us, subscribe now, and get ready for an intense and revealing journey. Don't miss out, because together we can bring to light what's in the shadows. See you there.